Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to enable extended RAM on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. So for enabling the extended RAM guys, first of all you have to go to settings, then scroll down and then comes to device care. Okay, so in this section, tap on the device care and then go to memory option. Guys, as you see we have this page here and then scroll so that we have a RAM plus option. Basically it's an extended RAM, and as you guys see we have 2 GB, 4 GB, 6 GB and 8 GB. So I want to switch it to 8 GB guys, so just tap on the 8 GB and make sure you have to restart your phone. So just tap on a restart. Okay, now just open up the phone again and then go to the extended RAM section. Go to device care and then go to memory. Now here go to RAM plus, and as you guys see my RAM is now changes to 8 GB. So this is how guys we can change or we can extend the RAM in Galaxy A55 5G. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.